It's all very well and good knowing what a prime number is, knowing how to write a number as the product of primes, and even knowing how to use that in order to find the lowest common multiple or highest common factor for pairs of numbers. However, it's only really worth something if you can spot where and when one of these skills will actually help you. With that in mind, I wonder, can you answer these real life questions? Brian, in his shop, sells cans of cola and cans of Fanta. He has 156 cans of cola in his back room, and he has 96 cans of Fanta back there too. He wants to stack them in the window in towers, such that the cola cans are in towers together and the Fanta cans are in towers together. He wants the towers to be as tall as possible, but with no cans left over. Most importantly, all the towers must be the same height. How tall are the towers, and how many towers of each type of can are there? Pause the video and have a go. The solution. Well, first off, we are dividing numbers into towers, so that tells you we will need factors. We are looking for the tallest tower possible, so that indicates we need the factor to be as high as possible. And finally, the height must be the same with the cola and the Fanta towers, i.e. it must be common between them. We need the highest common factor. To do that, we can write the numbers involved as the products of prime numbers. 96 breaks down into 2 times 48, which is 2 times 24, which is 2 times 12, which is 3 times 4, which is 2 times 2. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 156 breaks down into 3 times 52, which is 2 times 26, which is 2 times 13. Now that we have these, we spot the matching prime factors, those that are in both lists. The matching factors here are 2, 2 and 3. We multiply these together to get our highest common factor, 12. 12 is the highest common factor. So each tower is 12 cans high. 156 splits into 13 groups of 12, and 96 splits into 8 groups of 12. If you didn't quite get that, feel free to take another listen. If that was fine, try this question. For his shop, Brian can bulk buy sausages in packs of 24. He can buy buns in packs of 20. Brian wants to buy enough of each so there is one bun per sausage, but he doesn't want to buy any more than he needs to achieve this. How many packs of each does he need to buy? Pause now and try it. If you didn't guess from the question, common sense probably told you this was always going to be a lowest common multiple question. You need to find the smallest number that is in both the 20 and 24 times tables. Now we could make lists and compare, but instead let's use prime factors. 24 becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 20 becomes 2 times 2 times 5. If we put these in a Venn diagram, as in video M008, we get this. And multiplying all these together, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, gives 120. He therefore needs 120 of each. 6 packs of buns will do this, as will 5 packets of sausages. If you manage those questions, you can be fairly confident you have a good understanding of multiples and factors. If you struggled, don't panic, these videos aren't going anywhere and your teacher would be only too pleased to help you out.